Hey guys, Manny from Sexy Water, and today I'm going to go through the installation of the Anespa shower and bath spa system. So you're going to have a standard system like this that comes out the top, so really simple to undo. You just turn it to the left, anti-clockwise, and it just comes off. So remember just to keep hold of it as you're unwinding it, and then there we go. Let out any loose water. So we'll just put that to one side for now. And then just check here, you've got some PTFE tape that's around. Just want to come and have a quick look here.
Zoom in on the tabs.
So we're just going to clean that up, and we're going to put some fresh PTFE tape. So if you don't know what that is, it's just some plumber's tape. It just looks like this. So this helps seal it on the thread. So we just want a little bit of that. And we've got Carolyn from Camden Water Perf on the camera.
Woohoo!
Say hello, Carolyn.
At 18.
So we're just going to wrap this PTFE tape around. You can see it's really thin, and the idea of that is just so that it gets on the thread and it stops any cheeky leaks. So we'll just put that around there. It can be a little bit awkward to just get on, but once it's on, it's happy days. So there we go. Now then, what we want next is this connection. Okay, it's the little Anespa connection here. So basically your water's going to come in, and then we're going to connect another pipe, and the water's going to go down there. So you're just going to tighten this up. Sometimes when you're connecting these, this can actually be sticking out a little bit too much. So you just want to make sure you get it on nice and tight. And then the next thing is you want some plumber's grips, like these. They slide up and down nice and easy. And then something to protect this chrome fitting. So I just put that on there. I get my clips, and I just tighten it up, just so that it bites. Okay, once that's on there, turn that back. That's all done. So your next bit, we have got the incredible Anespa. This will change your life, I guarantee it. It's incredible. So we're just going to put that down in the corner out of the way for now. And then we need to get the pipe that's going to connect from the shower adapter out the wall into the unit, which is this one. And it's got these two ends on it that are exactly the same. Just make sure if you look inside that you've got the rubber seals in both. Okay? So this screws on the bottom, screws on the bottom of this connection, and then just do it finger tight for now. Go down, and what we're actually going to do is this one's going to go into the base, because what we're doing, the water's coming in, it's going to actually channel up through the Anespa, through the filter, and then through all the mineral rocks as well. So we just get that nicely fitted on there. So I'll just tighten that up, finger tight for now. Put that back down there, and then we've got the next one I'm going to connect. Even though there's no bath in this bathroom, we've got, this is the bath pipe. So we can put this on. Some people don't bother putting it on when they haven't got a bath. You don't need to, but obviously if you were to have a bath next to it, you would connect it on. So I'm going to put it on anyway for now. And I'll just, if you want to come here, Carolyn, I'll show you. It doesn't matter which side you put it on, it's entirely up to you, but for now, we're just going to pull that out of the way. Slide it in. As you can see, there's a couple of little washers there, and then screw it on, and it will naturally just tighten up on its own. I will put this over here just so it's out of the way.
Yeah.
That's done. So our next pipe, thank you, is your final one. Now this is actually going to attach to the shower head, and you can see the difference. It's got a nice fit in here that'll actually lock into this point. So just unscrew the little cap in there, so out of the way.